Empty the cookie mix, add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of water or milk, microwave it, and then squeeze the topping over the cookie, and then eat it.
Okay, now we're opening it up and getting to the good stuff.
Yep.
Okay, so we have this silver thing. Looks really cool. One of my favorite colors. We have another one. Have another one. Have another one. There must be 4 servings in every box.
Yeah, that explains why there were 4 different packages. So I have the chocolate chip cookie mix and the topping. Right here.
I have the Bug Tree Betty Crocker red one. I think this is a really cool package. And to be honest, guys, I hope this isn't cheese because it'll be real cheesy.
Dun dun dun. Now it's time to make the treats. So first we're gonna open this. Wait, we gotta make sure that we follow the instructions.
Remember, Ava.
Empty cookie mix.
Your poison!
But Cash, let's creep it real.
Stupid, lame Halloween jokes. I think I'm already on a sugar high. Okay, stir this up with 3 tablespoons.
My turn.
3. Scooby-Doo.
Okay, now you're gonna mix it.
Gotta be well mixed.
Alright guys, this is what it's gonna look like when it's mixed. Now we're gonna throw these in the microwave for 30 seconds. So this is what it looks like when it's cooked. Alright, now to apply the icing.
This is so satisfying.
Keep the icing
Go.
thick.
Okay, now we're gonna spread it on top.
They put a drizzle on the front, but I don't know how you do that when the icing is so thick.
Well, this is what it should look like after the icing and all that. Looks pretty cool.
Here. And now, fun part. A taste test.
Here's my bite.
That looks good.
It's actually not as thick as you think. It's really sweet. I really like it. Try yours now.
That's a good bite of cake.
It kind of tastes like not waffles, but pancakes.
It kind of tastes like you put a lot of chocolate in hot chocolate. It's very thick.
After this, guys, honestly, I think I'm gonna have a sweet tooth.
Or sugar high.
I'll give this one a 6. What would you give yours, Ava?
An 8. So now I'm gonna taste it.
Do you want to marry that thing?
No. It tastes like an actual cake. The frosting thin and it has sprinkles in it.
Okay, time for me to taste this. Oh. Okay, I like this one. A chocolatey muffin, but pretend like the chocolate on the muffin didn't really have a bunch of sugar on it.
Does it taste like a chocolate chip cookie?
Yeah. My favorite, guys, is the chocolate one. I really recommend it. I recommend it if you come past one of these ones.
My favorite has to be this birthday cake one because it's like just the right amount of sweet and thin and thick at the same time. And it does taste like a confetti cake, which is what it was going for. I would definitely recommend these like during the holiday when you want something good but fast at the same time. Like they taste exactly the same but take like 2 minutes to make.
You know what? We should take these on road trips and make them in the hotel.
That's an awesome idea! Ow, I just hit my hand on the table! Which one would you rather have? Put it in the comments down below.
Spending time with us, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications,
and press like.
Oh, well, speaking of the like button. So guys, do you know that like button? I've been looking for him for a while. That's him over there. I'm gonna go pick him up. Make sure to do this to him.
We'll see you guys next. Bye! I'm doing the cake dance.